There's a secret I have to share with you guys. You can now monetize your channel in about 30 days. And I'm about to tell you how. So on most platforms, it takes years to start seeing like consistent money or any money at all on these platforms. But now, really just about on any platform, it is becoming easier and easier to monetize. You just have to have an effective strategy. So if you're watching this video, you came to the right place. If you're new to my channel, my name is Katera. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all can subscribe before you watch this video because you know I'm coming with the tea. If I whispered and I told y'all a secret, you know I trust you. You know I trust you. But if you're coming back to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? How you doing, sister? How you doing, brother? How you doing, cousin? And how your family them doing? Let them know your cousin Katera said hey. But I'm about to break down exactly how you can get monetized in just about 30 days. There are creators all over this platform getting monetized, and so now is your turn. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create a profitable niche, okay? So I know people don't like to niche down, and I used to not like to niche down, but then I realized that I was essentially all over the daggone place. My content was all over the place. I didn't know who I was talking to in my content. My content wasn't adhering to one specific brand, so I was working with all kinds of different brands. I was just a mess, okay? So figure out what niche that you want to get into and figure out what profitable niche. So some of the top and most profitable niches are wealth and finance, health, and relationships. So if you are able to create content and figure out your lane in these niches, figure it out and start creating content on it. And let me just say this, ChatGPT will be your best friend. That's my assistant right there. Now the second thing I need you to do is post consistently. I have been posting a long form video every single day. Don't believe me? Go look down my channel. Now there might be a day where I might have posted it at 12 a.m. and it might have been the next day, so it says I skipped the day, but I don't think I count that as skipping a day because I didn't go to sleep yet. Okay, I didn't go to sleep and wake up for the next day, so I can't do whatever. But I've been trying to post a long form video every single day. Okay, so either post a long form video every single day or post 3 long form videos and 2 shorts a day. So 3 long form videos for the week, 2 shorts a day. Okay, so you guys are wanting to get monetized fast, make sure that you're doing so. But if you're doing it that way, make sure that your videos are a good length so that way it can count towards your watch hours. And then make sure you're posting shorts that are likely to go viral. So that means just studying what shorts or what type of content goes viral on YouTube and then try to mimic that, but don't copy, just try to reiterate it in regards to you and your niche. Now also you can go live, and I'm about to start going live at least once a week because I do go live on TikTok every single day, so I might as well just try to set up my iPad or something and go live simultaneously. So I'm gonna try that out and I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. But do this, you guys, you will start to see success on this platform. Now you guys will need to aim for at least 10-minute videos or more, because when you are able to finally monetize your videos, and this is something I didn't know, so I'm gonna start trying to make longer videos, you want to be able to max your AdSense value. So make at least a 10-minute video, 8 to 10 minutes at least, so that way you can monetize those videos with AdSense and really max it out. Now you can add in ads at 8 minutes, but you want to be able to max out that revenue at 10 minutes. But being a smaller creator, of course, you might be like, well, what am I going to talk about for that long? Just, you can become a certified yapper. I'm a certified yapper. So I feel like as long as you're giving value or teaching something, your video should be at least that long. And then use keyword rich titles or searchable topics. So that goes into trending topics. You can speak on current events. It just depends on your niche, but of course the searchable, valuable content. So if you're teaching something, or you're just being super entertaining, or you're starting a series that people just keep wanting to come back for, that will be essentially how you'll grow your channel. Now boost your watch time. Going back into the series, create a binge worthy series. Create a series that keeps people wanting to come back for more and more and more and more. Increase your audience retention by cutting out the fluff. So of course you don't want your video to be too choppy, but you also don't want your video to have long drags where you're not saying or doing anything. Put pop-ups on the video. You can add pop-ups, animations, things like that, but you don't want to overdo it. But of course you can find your own editing style. Don't let me try to tell you how to edit, because I do what I want to do. But do what you want to do, but make it entertaining. But you do need to make sure that you're cutting out the fluff, cutting out the dead space in your video, so that way you can keep your audience engaged. Because I'm telling you, TikTok and IG Reels and YouTube Shorts has really killed our attention span. So make your long form content worth watching. You can also encourage longer watch sessions by linking your videos to a video. So adding a card in the upper right hand corner, a video that really correlates with the video that people are watching, because it also links it to the bottom of the description. So if they scroll down, they'll also see that other video. Or of course, putting your videos into playlists so that people are also watching your playlists. Now, you also can utilize alternative monetization streams such as affiliate marketing through the Amazon Influencer Program, the Amazon Associates Program, Bendable, Canva, TubeBuddy, things like this. You can become an affiliate for all these different programs or platforms and just put your links down in the description. You also can work on working with brands through sponsorships because you don't have to be a large creator to work with brands. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but shoot your shot as a small creator. A lot of brands are leaning more towards smaller creators nowadays. So just shoot your shot. The worst they can say is no, but I'm telling you guys, nowadays brands are leaning more towards longer form videos or content. Us as smaller creators have a community that is really going to ride for us. Like I ride for y'all, I hope y'all ride for me too. Like I said, we're family, so don't do that. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. But really, I want you guys to put yourselves in position to see success on this platform. But really, I want you guys to put yourselves out there and reach out to these brands. The worst they can say is no, and you'll be surprised at how many will say yes. And then digital products, of course, my Shayla. I love digital products. Digital products are a way that I'm monetizing all platforms. Digital products is essentially one of the best things that has ever existed because you can create an ebook, you can create a guide on different ways to do something, or you can create a course essentially and just put them in the description and talk about these programs, your courses, your ebooks in your video. So you can get monetized right away. That's how you can get monetized. You don't have to wait until you unlock the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Get started right away. Now, once you do reach that threshold, go ahead and apply for that program, all of the programs actually. So if you already have 500 subscribers, all you need is 3,000 watch hours to unlock the first round of, monetization, which I think is like memberships and stickers. And you need to apply to that ASAP, like as soon as you reach it. And then once you reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, make sure that you maximize your earnings by turning on all of the placements. Okay, so place ads in your videos. I mean, that's the way you're gonna eat from these videos that you're spending so much time on, and you can go back and monetize older videos. So as soon as you start posting videos, because you can still eat for years and years on end just by being intentional from the start, and then you can go back and place ads in your videos. This is why I love YouTube so much, because YouTube is super evergreen. Like, you can always make content from it. As long as your videos are continuously being searched up and watched, you will continuously make money. So there's no reason not to be making money on this platform now. There's no reason not to be on YouTube and starting your channel. There's no reason for you not to get monetized in 30 days. Just stick with the strategy. Make a long form video every single day, or post 2 shorts a day and at least 3 long form videos a week, but make sure they are long videos. Okay, now this really is exciting for me because I've been on YouTube for a long time. I really am super excited that I'm so close to monetizing this platform. I have dreamed of becoming a YouTube creator, and now it's finally happening. I would love it if you guys subscribed and watched this video all the way through. I would love if you guys shared this with your friends. But this is just your sign not to give up on your dreams. This is just your sign to go for it. And since YouTube is really monetizing smaller creators, like, there's proof in the pudding. If you just type in YouTube is monetizing small creators, you will see all of the small creators that have been monetized so far this year alone. So instead of sitting back watching everyone else, you need to become the next one. So let me know, are you ready to get monetized? Are you ready to make some money? Are you ready to build your brand and build a community on this platform? Because if so, for one, I want you to put your YouTube channel down in the comments. I want to really connect with you guys and really support one another. We are all small creators, we are all family, and we need to just really stick together. But if you haven't started yet, put a fire emoji in the comments. Let's set the comments on fire, because I know you guys are fired up and ready to get started. Now, if you need a little help to get started, you need a little motivation and a little confidence, or you need something to just hold on to, I do have a YouTube guide in my description. It is 100% free for you guys to get started with your content, to get started with your videos, and just to help you guys with a little motivation to getting started. Because I'm telling you guys, once you get started, it's almost like an addiction. I love making YouTube videos. The editing kind of takes a minute, but I love editing. I've always loved this, and I finally get to live my dream. So I love you guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.